If you are trying to sell your product to everyone, you will end up selling to no one. Hi all, hope you are doing well. My name is Sudhati Ghosh. Today I will be explaining what I have understood by customer value journey. Before I talk about customer value journey, let me remind you once again that selling is adding value towards people's life. Customers should feel unique. That should be your approach towards selling. Now let me talk about customer value journey. Suppose you have an educational institute. Explain your students what they will get from this course that will help them and what they will get extra from you apart from this course, particular course, that will also help them to clear a particular exam efficiently. If you run a beauty parlor, customers would like to visit your parlor to get a nice makeover. So show them photos and explain them what will be their look after the makeover. Those are called end results. Provide your customers with sufficient information so that they can get a clear idea about the end results. Suppose a customer is stuck in level X and she wants to reach to level Z. You are the person who will be guided her to reach to her desired level, that is from level X to level Z. Create a point in between, means from X to Z. Create a point in between, that is point Y. Now help the customer to reach at level Y from level X at free of cost. In that way you will be able to gain her trust. Now charge her to reach level Z from level Y, which is the end result. I have taken the example of running an educational institute previously. Offer your students first 2 or 3 classes free of cost. In that way you will be able to gain their trust, then charge for the remaining course. In that way they will be able to achieve their goals and you will be also able to gain their trust. This is called customer value journey. Now, if you have a physical product and this is not possible to sell some portion of the product, let's shoe. Provide your customers with detailed information about the product, about the quality and the utility of the product, and also help your customer to choose design and color. That is also called customer value journey. So in this case, through your service you are helping the customer to reach to the point Y from point X free of cost. In this world of fake sellers, this is very important to gain the trust of the customer. So provide adequate value to customer's life while reaching from level X to level Y. Customer himself will be ready to pay for the product to reach level Z. So start adding value to customer's life through customer value journey. Hope you like this video. We'll come up with a new topic tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Take care.